Hey everybody, it's Justin Trevor Winters, and welcome back to 60-Second Script School. So you're probably asking yourself, why Justin Trevor Winters? Why must you use all three names? And I promise you, it's not some sort of egomaniacal trait. There are several Justin Winters that work in the entertainment industry, one of whom works in the softcore adult entertainment industry. So I had to differentiate myself. In today's segment, you guessed it, we'll be talking about me. Winters is coming.
I know this is hard for you, but winter is coming.
60 seconds on the clock? All right, hit it. I began my career working at Innovative Artists Talent and Literary Agency. I worked in the literary department where I assisted in representing Catherine Bigelow, who directed Zero Dark 30, Hurt Locker, and Detroit. I also assisted in representing Stuart Beattie, who wrote the original Pirates of the Caribbean and Collateral. I later joined Creative Artists Agency, where I worked in the motion picture talent division. I assisted in representing Tom Cruise, Colin Farrell, Ashton Kutcher, Scott Frank, to name a few. I've created, written, and optioned several film and television projects, including Killing Winston Jones, starring Richard Dreyfuss, Danny Glover, and John Heder. I've also run development for a production company, and I've created and sold TV concepts to major networks such as Comedy Central and Discovery Network. I've taught at both the UCLA Extension Writers Program and Arizona State University. I've also guest lectured at USC, UCLA, and UC Santa Barbara. Many of my students have gone on to create TV shows, option and sell scripts, and get staffed. I'm very passionate about writing and teaching, and I want to help you write scripts, sell scripts, and win a bunch of Emmys and Oscars, naturally. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is 60 seconds about me.